This is a knee up crunch. So I've got my knees at 90 degrees, knees right over the hips to make it harder for my abdominals to work, so to get those shoulders up. If the legs extend out further, then it's easier for the abdomen to come off the floor. So you can reach either beside your knees or you can reach in between. Here I'm reaching now in between. So I split my knees and I'm reaching forwards. Try and not jolt the movement, it should be controlled, and don't use the head too much.